Introducing GrandMX, a plugin for Mato Notepad that brings a programming language to create simple light shows using DMX 512 protocol. In this video, we show how to start using GrandMX plugin in Mato. To get started, you need a 3.0 or higher version of Mato. Once you open Mato, you need to type command install-plugin-grandmx to install the plugin on your PC, and go to text and execute the command. The next step is install the drivers for your Entech Open DMX USB interface. To do this, go to website in the description, download and install the driver. Once you install the driver, you can start creating your show. First, go to plugin-grandmx and start the plugin. Select serial port of your interface by typing port com and number. Then type start to simply start your show. Type clear to set all channels to 0 value. The simplest way to control channels in GrandMX is typeset, channel number and value that you want to have. If you want your show to wait between set lines, just type delay and time in milliseconds. Or if you want to have a fade time between two values, type range, channel, values, and time in seconds. On end of your show, type stop to turn off your USB interface. Now you can enjoy your show by going to plugin-grandmx and pressing run.